Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Living on the Edge.
I'm good.
No, we're gonna rotate.
We'll put that in.
We won't. We're just gonna rotate that again.
This camera, that camera. Tell the people what's going on.
I'm Alexis.
I'm Matthew.
Angel.
Daniel.
Hey, what's up? It's Living on the Edge.
Spoon Creek Falls, out Wainuchi area, out by the dam. It's a shorter hike, only 0.4 miles one way, but the scenery is beautiful with a great waterfall and awesome swimming. The water was great. Beautiful day. This is our beautiful mascot.
As you can
And
tell,
that's not Apollo.
Apollo.
He doesn't really care. Great place.
As you can tell,
Like, subscribe.
Don't forget to check out Madeira and check out our hammocks that we have.
Hammocks through Madeira online. Use our code, Living on the Edge, all one word. You get 20% off your purchase. This is Apollo, our mascot.
There's Daniel. And here's some beautiful clear water. Super clear. You can see the bottom. Okay. He just grabs onto my nose or my eye. Put him on the dock.
So cool.
That is awesome.
I've never,
Well, we had a wonderful adventure here. It's near the Wainuchi area in Washington State. It's a beautiful place. It's gravelly for the most part, and then once you get up here, it's more dirt gravel you kind of see, and then it's that the whole time.
But I got my uncle gave me
You're gonna fall in. Oh, didn't.
yeah.
Yeah, this is what Shane does all the time. He will literally just be like, no trail here, gonna make one. But the trail is actually over here. Over this way. Yeah.